Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today let me show you my attempt to transform these mini cupcakes into a very nice centerpiece for the holidays. So let's get started. I'm gonna start by adding 1.5 pounds of powdered sugar to a bowl. To that I'm gonna add a whole bag of mini marshmallows, 1 pound. And I'm trying here to make the cake shell, which is gonna be a Rice Krispie treat. I'm gonna microwave it on high. And the point here is to melt the marshmallows and for me to have a nice doughy texture. And it's starting to melt nicely. I'm gonna pop it one more time in the microwave for everything to melt. And I'm starting to have a nice dough texture. I'm gonna work it a little bit with my hands. And it's time to add my crispy rice cereal. I'm gonna add about 3 cups. I want it to all come together nicely, just like you're seeing right now. I'm gonna work it a little bit until all the Rice Krispie cereal is incorporated nicely. And it's best if you divide them into portions. That's gonna be easier for you to handle. I'm gonna try to form the shape of a tree, one disc at a time, just like you're seeing. And it seems like a messy job, but I promise you it's worth it at the end. Any kid will love to have a centerpiece like that. Just make sure the pieces are sticking together nicely and very sturdy. I'm gonna set it aside and you can place it in the fridge if it's too soft. And now I'm gonna work on the shell of this centerpiece, which is gonna be basically cake pops. I'm gonna be using these mini cupcakes. I'm gonna need about 6 boxes of these mini cupcakes. I'm gonna remove the icing. I'm gonna place them in a bowl, because I think this is too much icing for the cake pops. And I'm only gonna use about half of the icing on top of the cupcakes. With clean hands, I'm gonna mix the whole thing with the icing. And I didn't find any plain vanilla cupcakes, that's why I got them with a little bit of a sprinkle on top, which is not a big deal. You can remove it or you can keep it. I'm gonna mix until it forms nice, consistent balls and easy to work with. And I'm gonna shape them into different sizes, just like you're seeing right now. And for this project, you're gonna need about 6 of these mini cupcakes, 6 boxes, and each box has 12 pieces. The whole thing was about $18. And you can use different flavors: chocolate, red velvet cake. Here I'm using also a pumpkin spice cupcake. It's helpful if you have these foam blocks. You can set your cake pops on top of them to dry. And you're gonna absolutely need those candy sticks, cake pop sticks or popsicle sticks. And this is how you're gonna coat the cake pop, with the white chocolate or with the candy melt. And this is basically the process. You can do it like that, or you can simply do it the messy way with your hands. Simply dip in the white chocolate, shake off the excess, and place on a parchment paper to dry completely. And it's all about a happy and colorful project. That's why I'm gonna be using so many different colors. So you can be creative and use the colors that you want. I'm adding different shades of green. And now it's time to assemble this cake pop tree. I'll be sticking gently these cake pops with a small piece of the cake pop sticks or the lollipop sticks. From here on, it's all repetitive work. I'm gonna finish the whole thing and fill it with colorful cake pops until the whole thing is covered. I topped it with a chocolate covered cookie, and you can embellish it with a little bit of edible gold or some gold dust, whatever you like. And this is my finished project. It was a labor of love. Everybody loved the cake pops. It was so colorful and festive. I hope you give it a try soon. Make it this holiday season and put a smile on somebody's face. And until next time, bon appetit.